Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to keep friends from seeing post on Facebook. Open your Facebook app. Then tap on here to post something. This time I post some words. Then here we can set our audience by tapping here. Tap on here to see other options. Then select only me. Now your friends can't see your post. If you want to private a post that you previously posted, go to your post and tap on these three dots. Select edit privacy. Then tap on see more and select only me. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.